you have lost your sending privileges on Etsy, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review Etsy policies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies regarding sending privileges. Understanding the rules will help you identify any potential violations that may have led to the loss of privileges. Step 2. Check your account status. Log into your Etsy account and check for any notifications or messages from Etsy regarding your sending privileges. This information can provide insight into the reason for the restriction. Step 3. Resolve any issues. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact Etsy support. If you believe your sending privileges were revoked in error or after resolving issues, reach out to Etsy support. Provide them with all relevant details and ask for clarification or assistance in restoring your privileges. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, monitor your email for a response. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your request. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Etsy. Remember to maintain compliance with Etsy's policies to avoid future issues.